I've been using Skool.com for almost a year now, and in this video, I am going to share my honest opinion on this tool. From the outside, Skool looks like the perfect platform to build and launch a community. However, that's far away from truth. Ever since Alex Hormozi invested in Skool, he is heavily promoting it among his viewers. He often mentions that Skool is the fastest path to reach $10,000 per month income for beginners. I don't have a problem with the business model itself, nor do I have a personal grudge against Hormozi. But the thing is, Skool isn't the perfect solution for educational content creators. There are many platforms that offers better features and functionalities. Not to mention that Skool is full of scammers and bots who will continuously spam you their offers, and you literally can't do anything about it. And this is not the only problem. Skool doesn't even have an inbuilt video hosting feature, which means it's easy to share private community content to the outside world. Not only that, there are some payment glitch that can be used to access any paid community without paying a single dime. For example, take a look at this community. I am not a paid member of this community. My free trial was ended almost 15 days ago, but due to the glitch, I still have access to the community and all of its messages and content. So, don't get attracted to the $10,000 per month dream unless you know what you are doing. There are many people who've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with Skool, but that's a very low percentage of people. The Skool Games is another cool thing for newbies to launch their community. But whether you make money or not, Alex Hormozi is definitely going to take a percentage of your payment. Now, I am not saying that it's completely waste of money. What I am trying to say here is that you should not blindly trust everything you see in the internet. If someone is promoting something, it's probably because he is getting something in return. Try to do your own research before choosing a software. No software in the market is perfect, but when a software doesn't provide quality and still promotes itself as the best platform, it pisses me off, which is why I made this video. If you are a beginner and planning to launch your community, don't go ahead with a paid platform. There are many free ones out there, which will help you get started. And once you make some money, you can invest it to the best software in the market. Right now, the best software for selling info products and launching communities is Kajabi. Don't worry, I am not doing a paid promo or anything like that. You won't even find an affiliate link in the description. I have personally used it, which is why I am mentioning it here in the video. Look, I am not against Skool and Alex Hormozi. The purpose of making this video was to show you the reality, which is not being told openly. I hope that the developers of Skool will improve the features and functionalities instead of only focusing on marketing. I don't have any hidden motive or hidden purpose. In this channel, I only share my honest reviews on the software that I personally use in my day-to-day life. You will hardly find affiliate links in the description. For more open and unbiased opinions and reviews, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video.